Good day, everyone. This is Echo 419, and today we're looking at the P-Bandai Master Grade SP-00-N Full Cutlery Ver.Ka set. Let's begin. So, a brief history before we start this review. Several years ago, Bandai released the Master Grade SP-00-N, which was to be sold and distributed through Type. And you're seeing this kit on screen now, and the link to the original listing is in the description of this video. But now, this is a very exclusive kit through P-Bandai, and this is a first look for all of you, so let's get into it. So what we have here is a very exclusive look at this P-Bandai set. So now we open up the box and pull out the contents, which consist of a singular sealed bag. On opening the bag, we have the SP-00-N, the F-0RK, the KN-1F3, and the NAPK-1N. When looking at the details of everything in this kit, you can really see how much attention went into everything, and this is really deserving of that premium Bandai and Ver.Ka label. The only articulation in this kit is within the NAPK-1N, and as you can see, it unfolds very nicely and has superb articulation. Now we'll try out everything in a few test poses. For size comparison, here's the kit next to the American RX-78-2 Gundam and the always bulky Zaku 3. This kit's rated Silver Tier, just because y'all know I like my Silver Tier statue more than the gold one. Just kidding, you know that this is Gold Tier, there's no denying it. This kit has everything you need, from the amazing detail, articulation, and accessories. This is worthy of being a premium Bandai Ver.Ka kit. That's all for this kit review. Happy April 1st, and thank you for helping me celebrate another year on my channel. DJ, play my outro.